Most people think birds are simple creatures that just fly and sing, but scientists recently discovered something so unbelievable it's changing everything we knew. Some birds can plan for the future, remember dozens of human faces, and even solve puzzles that stump young children. The African gray parrot can understand concepts like colors and numbers, crows can craft tools from sticks, and ravens have been caught secretly hiding food to outsmart thieves. Experts now say birds show a level of intelligence that rivals primates, proving they're not just beautiful, they're genius survivors of the natural world. And if this opened your eyes, hit follow for more mind-blowing animal truths you've never heard before.